Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Moving forward in the Pandas series, we will be solving the next question, that is display the first three rows. As you can see that a data frame is here which is named as employees. It has 4 columns as employee ID, name, department, salary, and we have to write a solution to display the first 3 rows of this data frame. So as shown here in this example, there are 6 rows in this employees data frame, and we need to implement the solution so that it displays only the first 3 rows. So we can see here that we have already imported pandas. Now to print only the first 3 rows, what we will do, will simply return our employees, which was the data frame, dot head. And since we only need to print the first 3 rows, so we'll be passing that number into our head function, and that was it. Let me quickly submit it. So that was all about today. Thank you for watching this video.